Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Experts of Programming and welcome in the English version of our Java tutorial series. Friends, if you can understand Urdu and Hindi, you can follow Urdu version and Hindi version of our Java tutorial series. But if you cannot understand Urdu and Hindi, you can follow these tutorials. Let's start it. Friends, I want to mention that in these tutorials our focus will be on practical work rather than theory. Just in first tutorial we will discuss theory because it is important to understand what is Java, it is important to understand the different platforms of Java, and it is important to know which types of application we can build with Java. That's why we prepare first tutorial just on theory, and after this tutorial there will be no theory, our total focus will be on practical work. So let's start this one. First of all we will see what is Java. Java is a programming language and a platform. Java is a high-level, secure and object-oriented programming language. In fact, Java is considered as a pure object-oriented programming language, and it's considered as a secure programming language as compared to other programming languages. Here we use a word platform. Why Java is also a platform? Let's first see what is a platform. Any hardware or software environment in which a program can run is called a platform. So Java has its own runtime environment and API. That's why it's called platform. I hope everything is clear. Move on to the next slide. We can develop different type of applications in Java. Let's discuss them one by one. The first one is standalone application or desktop or window-based application. Desktop applications are those applications which we first install on our machine and then we can use them. For example, antivirus, VLC media player and many more. The second one is web application, an application that runs on the server side and create dynamic page. We can develop amazing web application using Java technologies. The technologies that we use to build web application in Java are servlets, Java server pages, struts and Java server faces. The third one is enterprise application. We can build enterprise level applications in Java. Enterprise applications are those applications that is distributed in nature, such as banking applications, and these applications implement high level security, load balancing and clustering. Enterprise Java Bean is a technology that we can use to build enterprise level applications in Java. And the fourth one is mobile application. We can use Java to create mobile applications. Many Android based mobile applications are using Java as a backend language. I hope everything is clear too. So move on to the next slide. There are different Java platforms or additions that Java provides us so that we can build different types of application. The first one is Java Standard Edition. The second one is Java Enterprise Edition. We can develop web application using Java Enterprise Edition. The third one is Java Micro Edition. We can develop mobile application using Java Micro Edition. And the fourth one is Java FX. Move forward. So friends, Java is a programming language. It has a long history, when it came to existence, why it came to existence, like this. So we will not discuss here the theory of Java, but if you are interested, then you can Google it. You can find a lot of stuff on Java history. So it's your task. If you are interested to learn Java history, just go to Google and you will find a lot of stuff. We will move forward. If you know about C++ and now you will learn Java, you will find that there is some difference between Java and C++. Difference like memory management, like pointers and others. So we will not discuss the difference here. It's also your task. Just search about it. You will find a lot of stuff. You will find a lot of difference between C++ and Java. So friends, till now we have discussed what is Java, we have discussed the different platforms of Java, and we have discussed how many applications we can build using Java. So now we will see which platform, which tool we will use for coding. So for coding in Java, we need a IDE, Integrated Development Environment. There are a lot of tools like NetBeans, Eclipse and others, but we will use NetBeans for coding. You can use Eclipse or you can use others. Before installing NetBeans, you will have to install JDK Java Development Kit in your machines. You can find the downloading link in the description of this video. So just download JDK and NetBeans from the internet and install them in your machines. There is nothing difficult, a very easy installation. If you have any query, if you have any question, you can like our Facebook page. The link of our Facebook page can find in the description of this video. I will catch you in the next tutorial. Till then, Allah Hafiz.